Hello, and welcome to my channel. So, I decided that I will make today, it will be a last reaction because it's almost 12 o'clock. And, okay, Jay, Nadia, you wrote me that you are still waiting for Bubblegum by NewJeans. So, let's go with this music video. And they got always great songs, so I think that will be great to watch this. And if you are watching, the rest of you, thank you very much that you found my channel. I will be happy for your recommendations. Of course, you can write me, for example, what you are watching now, like I mean the anime during spring 2025. And I think we can start. So one more time, thank you, Jay Nadia, for the recommendation. Yeah, and let's go, let's go. Good choice. Good recommendation. Sorry about that face. They got always really nice music videos. Okay, so thank you very much for the recommendation, Jay Nadia. I really enjoy this song. It's totally going to my favorite J-pop, K-pop songs. So ping, 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 ping. There is that, and it's done. Yeah, and really catchy, really nice lyrics, of course. And I, sorry about the commercial. Finally, I can skip that. So, and also, I really like in these music videos also that they are using like the like professional camera, like here, yeah. But also like this kind of the, sorry, these videos which are uh, recording their herself because we can see that they are holding camera on the beach. That we would like this kind of the professional shots, and they are good that they can make the bubbles from the bubble gum. I didn't. I think I never made a come on bubble from the gum. Because usually I spit the gum when I was trying to make the bubble. Unfortunately, but if you pick the pick also the food, but also I think the bubble gum during 5 seconds you can still eat that. Yeah, so it was without the problems. Yeah, and sorry that I'm saying that every time when I'm watching their music videos, but it's really interesting how they made this. If it's their idea to make this kind of the um, versions of the music videos, or they've got some also probably the team, yeah, but make this kind of the little different videos and put that together is really nice. And yeah, here her face priceless. Like, what the hell is she doing? Uh, yeah, so really nice song. Really nice song. One more time. Thanks for the recommendation. And yeah, again, recapitulation. Really catchy, really nice and interesting music videos, nice lyrics. So 100%. If you are still watching and listening, thank you very much. And of course, I'm always happy for your recommendations. So if you are still waiting, uh, write me the recommendation again and again. For example, like Jane Nadia. Yeah. So for now, see ya.